Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, it would seem that the Australian dollar is not backing away from this 77 handle as the market daringly challenges this region of figure 40. I expect to see further supply to come back into the market. Reason behind that is if you can see here where I dropped this line in, further challenges towards the top side have failed from that 40 level, and I do expect to see that happen again. With the intraday support coming in around 76.45 as minor, you can see here that the market is losing momentum, and I do expect to see further weakness. Now it will take a break beneath 75.95 support, which is where this peak comes in, and this trough is that the market will fall away further and look back towards that region of 74.80 and reassess from there. The euro dollar is still attempting to take on this top side resistance around 108 and currently holding beneath the minor resistance of 107.65. Now I do expect to see a challenge towards the top side. The reason behind that is the dollar is still weak, and from the close on Friday could see further scope if we see a break above 107.65 to challenge this area around 108, which should be rejected. Reason behind this view is the fact that we saw a rejection in December 2016 and also in January clearly at around this 108. So I expect to see the market to start shortening the euro from that region and eventually turn around and look towards the support of 107.05 and lower towards 106.35 to 105.65 and reassess from there. Well, dollar yen still maintaining a bearish hold, and as you can see here now challenging this support of 112.55. In light of the dollar weakness, and also we can see from the technical pattern here breaking down, still holds a potential risk to re-challenge this region that you can see here around 111.60-80 area. I expect to see a rebound from there like previously on early Feb, and then also around the 24th of Feb the market staged another recovery. I'm not overly bearish on the US dollar, but I think this is a bit of a clean out since the rejection of 115.5 and then see a rebound back to test that top side level. Well, the pound is still holding firmly as it now looks towards the resistance around 124.10 with the downtrend, as you can see here from a weekly. Let me just draw it in for you. That emanates around these tops around 133, and you can see here if we just draw it there and then go back to dailies and lift it a little, comes in around 124.50-80. As I mentioned, top side resistance around 124.10 may crumble under the challenge, but I do expect to see the bears return hard and firm from that 125.50-80 level. Now, with the risk of the Brexit taking its departure soon from the Article 50, then we should see further weakness, with immediate support coming in at 123.45 with an objective to 122.10 and reassess from there. Well, it would seem that the gold still wants to hold on to that 12.30 handle as the market challenges the resistance now coming in at 31 to 38. I expect to see a rejection from there and see the market move away from this top side and look back towards the support of 12.22 and reassess from there, as we could be looking back towards 12.06. And to wrap up with oil, as you can see, the market is still holding towards the view of $45 a barrel, and any challenges towards the upside, a cap around 50.5 to 51.5. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report that will be released shortly.